Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to unlock app lock with face lock data. Friends, you want to use face lock plus app lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to use face lock plus app lock setting. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your iqoo mobile you want to unlock app. Friends, you can see I have logged Snapchat app, and you want to unlock app with app lock. Also friends, you want to unlock your app lock password with face lock. So now let's see how to unlock app with face lock. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, then scroll down here, open your phone security setting, open your phone face lock setting friends, one by one and step by step I will tell you. First of all guys, you will have to set your lock screen password, then you can set face lock data. I will use face unlock plus pin. Enter pin, remember pin password. If you forget password, you will have to factory reset, you will have to erase all data, then you can unlock your iqoo mobile. Remember your password. Okay friends, don't do any mistake. Confirm, done option, start option, show your face, and you can use face lock setting plus app lock setting. After show face friends, second option click here, privacy password setting, right click here, enter your password. After enter your privacy password friends, you can see app lock is on for your privacy password setting. So friends, now when you will on your app lock setting, open your phone iManager application, open your phone app lock setting friends, click your app lock setting. So friends, you can see you can unlock your app lock setting with your face lock, and if you click your use password, enter your app lock password, you can unlock your app lock setting, you can use app lock setting. Friends, again open your phone app setting, show your face, and you can unlock your app lock with face lock. And you want to lock any app, so friends right click here, you can lock app, and you want to unlock app, so you can unlock app. So friends, I will lock my video app and YouTube app I will lock. So friends, you can check when I will on YouTube app, show your face, you can unlock your YouTube app. Again off your YouTube app. So friends, when you will on your YouTube app, don't show face, click here use password, enter your app lock password, you can unlock your YouTube app with password also. So like that friends, you can unlock app lock with face lock, and you can unlock your app with password. Snapchat you want to on, and friends you want to on your file app, show your face, file app will on automatic. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To event out, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.